Today, we will explore the incredible journey of the wheat products we eat every day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. We're diving into the fascinating process of how wheat is made. From tiny seeds to golden fields and finally to the flour we use in our kitchens, let's uncover the story behind wheat. It all begins with these tiny seeds. Wheat is one of the oldest and most important crops in the world, dating back to ancient civilizations. But how does it transform from seed to harvest-ready grain? Step 1. Preparing the soil. Farmers start by tilling the land, breaking up the soil to create a perfect bed for planting. This process helps aerate the soil and incorporate nutrients, making it ready for the seeds. Next, it's time to plant the seeds. Modern farmers use seed drills, which are machines that precisely plant seeds at the right depth and spacing. This ensures optimal growth and a bountiful harvest. With the right conditions, sunlight, water, and nutrients, the seeds begin to sprout. Over weeks and months, they grow into lush green wheat plants. This stage is critical as the plants develop strong roots and stems. As the plants mature, they enter the flowering stage. Wheat heads emerge, each containing multiple kernels. These kernels are what will eventually become the wheat grain. By late summer, the fields turn a beautiful golden color. This means the wheat is ready for harvest, but how do farmers bring in this massive crop? Enter the combine harvester. This incredible machine combines three tasks, reaping, threshing, and winnowing, into one seamless operation. It cuts the wheat, separates the grain from the chaff, and collects the kernels. The harvested grain is then transported to storage silos. Here, it's carefully monitored and maintained to ensure quality before processing. Once the wheat is ready, it's off to the mill. The milling process involves several steps. First, the grain is cleaned to remove impurities. Then it's ground into flour through a series of rollers and sifters. The final product is a fine, powdery flour that can be used to make bread, pasta, cakes, and so much more. It's amazing to think about all the steps involved in bringing this staple food from the field to our kitchens. And there you have it, the journey of wheat from seed to flour. Next time you enjoy a slice of bread or a bowl of pasta, you'll know the incredible process behind it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more farm-to-table stories. See you next time.